I had a whole other script planned. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Hendrick. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. Well, the Warm Audio Bus Comp arrived on Monday. But even before it got here, I already knew that I wanted to use it in an outside-of-the-box mastering configuration. On Tuesday, I had an opportunity to do a live video with some friends, and we did just that. We mastered a tune to the iTunes specification of -16 dB full scale. We used the TC Electronic to make sure that we fell within that boundary, and these are the results of that video. There are chapter markers so you can jump back and forth between each cut. I suggest listening to each cut in their entirety and let your ears be the judge.
Isn't easy, it can be so tough, but I've learned never to give up. For every loss is someone else's gain. There will be sunshine after the rain. Dreams really do come true. It's totally up to you. It all depends what you're willing to put in. If you believe, then you will. Isn't easy, it can be so tough, but I've learned never to give up. For every loss is someone else's gain. There will be sunshine after the rain. Dreams really do come true. It's totally up to you. It all depends what you're willing to put in. If you believe, then you will.
Say this with pride, give it
isn't easy, it can be so tough. But I've learned never to give up. For every loss is someone else's gain. There will be sunshine after the rain. Dreams really do come true. It's totally up to you. It all depends what you're willing to put in. If you believe, then you will win. I rise and fall, but I hold my head up high. Give it my all, I stand up tall. I can say this with pride. Give it my all, 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 give it my all. Take that chance, you only have one life. Don't be afraid that things won't turn out right. The road ahead may seem cloudy. Nothing that's good ever comes easy.
In the comments below, let me know what your impression was of the Warm Audio Bus Comp. It's sure to be a winner in everyone's studio. Thank you for watching.
Still standing.